The ocean is hiding something. Something massive, something mysterious, and something so deep that even the most fearless divers have second thoughts before going in. No, it's not a sea monster, not an alien portal, though some would argue it might as well be. It's called the Great Blue Hole in Belize, and if you've never heard of it, well, let's fix that. So, picture this. You're out in the Caribbean, crystal clear waters, the sun kissing the ocean's surface. Everything looks normal, until you see it. A perfect, almost impossibly round, deep blue circle in the middle of the sea. It looks like someone just punched a giant hole into the Earth's crust. And in a way, that's kinda what happened. But what even is the Great Blue Hole? At first glance, it's just a massive sinkhole. But that's like calling Mount Everest just a tall rock. This thing is over 300 meters across and 124 meters deep. Deep enough to swallow the Statue of Liberty whole, with room to spare. It wasn't always underwater though. Around 150,000 years ago, back when mammoths still roamed the Earth, the Blue Hole was actually a cave. A dry, massive, prehistoric cave. But as the Ice Age ended and sea levels rose, water flooded in, the roof collapsed, and what was once a cavern turned into an abyss. Today it's one of the most famous dive spots on the planet. But here's where things get weird. Diving into the Blue Hole is like entering another world. The deeper you go, the darker it gets, until at about 40 meters down, you hit a layer of toxic hydrogen sulfide. That's right, there's an invisible, deadly gas lurking in the depths. Below this point, there's almost no oxygen at all. Fish, gone. Life, pretty much non-existent. Even bacteria struggle to survive here. But what really freaks people out? The stalactites? Yes, there are ancient giant stalactites hanging underwater, proof that this used to be a dry cave. Some of them are over 15 meters long. They shouldn't be there. They belong in caverns, not at the bottom of the ocean. It's like nature left behind a creepy little message. This place wasn't always like this. And then there's the stuff we haven't found yet. In 2018, billionaire Richard Branson and a team of scientists sent a submarine into the Blue Hole to map its depths. What they found was disturbing. The bottom was littered with, well, things no one expected. Dead shells, remains of creatures that probably got lost and never made it out, and an eerie, perfectly black void that seemed to go even deeper. No one really knows what's beneath that final layer. Maybe nothing, maybe something. So why do divers keep going in? Because it's one of the most breathtaking places on Earth. The water is so clear you can see for tens of meters ahead, like floating in space. Sharks? Oh, there are plenty. Reef sharks, bull sharks, even hammerheads. It's like nature's VIP section for marine life. But the real reason people dive here? The thrill of the unknown. The Great Blue Hole isn't just a hole. It's a message from the past. A time capsule from an age before history. It's a mystery we haven't fully solved.